Hi, it's Belinda. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial showing you how I add a calendar into my Mini Daisy Dori. I've already set one up at the beginning of the planner, but I thought I would show you by making another one in the center 2 pages, which is a very similar setup. So the pages already come with a row of colour block at the top and the bottom of the page, separated into like 7 colours. So they're going to be our 7 days of the week. So the next thing we have to do is section out each week in the month. So it's about a 15 centimetre space going down the page. So I'm just going to just mark 3 centimetre rows, so that will give us our 5 weeks. February does only have 4 weeks, but just as a general rule, most months have 5 weeks. So I'm going to do it for 5 weeks, and I'm just going to fill in the bottom row, the last week of the month, with just a decorative strip. So I'm just marking those days off at 3 centimetres each, and then I'll just join the dots, rule it up, and I'll come back at the next stage. Okay, so now we're going to rule our days of the week. So just use the little colour blocks as a guide, and just rule in between each, like changing colour from the top of the page down to the bottom. And I'm just going to finish it off by ruling a top and a bottom line, just to tidy it up. Okay, so now we've finished doing all the line work in the calendar. I'm now going to add a decorative strip to the bottom week, as we're not using it in February. If it was a 5-week month, you could do something similar, just filling the days of the week that aren't in the current month. But for this one, it's nice and easy. It's just the full bottom row. So I'm going to use the newsletter printable. If you sign up for the Cocoa Daisy newsletter, you get a lovely coordinating paper every month. So for February, it's a lovely floral. So I'm just going to measure that to size. So it's approximately 3 centimetres. I do trim it by hand to make it fit really nicely in that bottom area. we're just going to paste it in place. Just so it fits nicely in that area. Okay, the next step we're going to do is add a little more decoration. I'm going to use the thin washi that came in this month's kits, and it's really lovely. It's like a lovely navy blue with little tiny polka dots. So we're going to use that just to divide up our wigs. So just lay it down and either trim it with scissors, or if you have like a little craft knife, it might be a little bit easier. I didn't have one handy, so I'm just going to use scissors, and I'm just placing the washi strip just at the bottom of each wig just to separate them. I thought it looked quite nice. Okay, so now it's time to add our days of the week. I'm using the day and date sticker sheet from Cocoa Daisy, and I'm just going to pop one of those days of the week on. I'm going to center it in each of the little color blocks across the top of the page. I'm going to do it Monday through Sunday. If you were going to do Sunday through Saturday, just check how many weeks you're going to need, because you might end up having to use that last row that we put the decorative strip on. So just check that before you start. So this is I'm not going to put in like the dates of the month at this point, but you can just pop those in each of the little boxes. Top corner or down the bottom, or wherever you would like to have your days of the week in there, and that is going to pretty much finish off this tutorial. So I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a really quick and easy. It's fun. You can customize it to however you'd like it to look. You could put the month down the bottom strip if you wanted to, or have a little note section down the bottom. If you didn't want to rule it all the way down, you could just have like a blank area on that bottom row for February. But yeah, I really enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.